In a small, quiet town, there lived a man whom everyone seemed to know, but no one truly understood. Every morning, as people rushed to their jobs, opened their shops, or prepared their children for school, they would see him. He would be sitting alone on a wooden bench or walking slowly down the street, with his hands in his pockets, his eyes lost somewhere far away. People would whisper every time they passed him, "He never works. That man is useless. He just wastes his life." No one ever stopped. No one ever asked. They just looked, judged, and walked away. Years ago, that man was not like this. He had a job, a simple one, but he worked hard every single day. And more than that, he had a family, a loving wife, and a little child who meant everything to him. His home was small, but it was full of life, full of laughter, full of love. Every evening, he would return home, tired but smiling. His child would run into his arms. His wife would welcome him warmly. In those moments, life felt complete. But one day, everything changed. It was an ordinary day, just like any other. He went to work, said goodbye, and promised to come back soon. But that promise was never fulfilled. In the afternoon, he got a call. A call that would change his life forever. There had been an accident. A terrible accident. His wife, his child, they were gone. For a moment, everything stopped. The world, the noise, the people, nothing felt real anymore. He rushed to the hospital, hoping, praying that it wasn't true. But when he arrived, reality broke him completely. They were gone. Forever. After that day, he was never the same. The house became silent. The laughter disappeared. The warmth was gone. Every corner, every object reminded him of what he had lost. He tried to go back to work. He tried to live normally. But he couldn't. His mind was tired. His heart was empty. Slowly, he stopped everything. He stopped working. He stopped meeting people. He stopped living. So he began to spend his days outside, sitting in the park, walking aimlessly, trying to escape the memories. But they followed him everywhere. People saw him every single day, sitting there, doing nothing, and they judged him again and again. He never works. But they didn't know. They didn't understand. They didn't see the pain behind his silence. One day, a young boy noticed him. Unlike others, he didn't judge. He walked up to the man, slowly, and asked, "Why do you sit here every day?" That the man looked at him, surprised, because no one had ever asked before. At first, he stayed silent, but the boy didn't leave. He simply sat beside him, quietly. After a while, the man spoke. "I had a family," and with those words, his story began to unfold. The boy listened carefully, without interrupting, without judging. For the first time in years, the man felt heard. When he finished, there was silence. The boy looked at him and said softly, "I'm sorry." And in that moment, something changed. Not everything, but something small. The man felt a little less alone. The next day, the boy came again, and then again, and again. Sometimes they talked. Sometimes they just sat together. But that silent company meant everything. Slowly, very slowly, the man began to heal. The pain didn't disappear. It never would, but he learned to live with it. People still said, "He never works." But now it didn't matter anymore, because finally someone understood. Never judge someone without knowing their story, because every silent person is fighting a battle you cannot see. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more emotional and meaningful stories like this. Your support really helps us create more content that touches the heart